Today we're about to show you how to do a starter on this SCR right here. I think it's the same thing as the 3.5. I don't think so. I think they're different. But I never did 3.5. I wouldn't know. So I know SCR, you gotta go under the car to get the starter out. And yeah, see how that goes. Remember, when your starter is going, you hear a click, like a loud click. And if you bang it while it's clicking and it starts, you know it's the starter. Or this shit just don't make noise. It's just every time you no noise. And yeah, all you're gonna need for this starter is a 14. You need this, a swivel, extension, ratchet. Already know, electric ratchet, and a 12. I'll put a 12 somewhere. 12 socket, wherever I put it. Found the 12. It's right here. A mini extendo, just in case. Yeah, that's all you need. Let's get it. Let's get busy. I'm about to take out this motor, so may as well teach you how to take off the starter. First thing, remove your negative terminal. If your battery is there, remove this first. Anything electrical, you need to remove that negative terminal. Your starter is under the car, so jack up your car. Jack it up, good height, so you can see under the car. The starter is right under here, right there. So you're gonna loosen these bolts right here. 14 up there is in the 12 right here, right in there. All right, start with this 14. Okay, so loosen that. On that top one, you might need a deep 14 because the short one won't fit. Kind of. You can use that, use a wrench. But this shit, let's see. Yeah, so that top one you gotta loosen with the deep 14. The deep one. Loosen that shit up. This is already loosened. Let's just loosen some more. Let's try to take off 12 right here before we remove the rest of the 14. So that is right there, bam. Get a 12 wrench, or you could get the 12 with the mini extendo. That works first before I get the wrench. Okay. A short 12 with an extendo and a wrench to loosen it. Okay, like so. Let's take that off first. All right, took this out. Now let's take this off the starter, just like that. I'll put this back on the starter so I don't lose it. 12. Let's take out these 14s. Already know the business. Electric ratchets. Get it. Oh, that's all you're saying. A little too long. Let's get the short one. There's the exhaust in the way. Put the short one. Alright. Now it should be coming off. Like that. Make that shit fall on your head. You do the top. The top one is, you gotta use the deep one because short one won't fit in there. If you could fit it, good for you. But for me, it ain't fitting. So let's put that shit in there. Alright. Good enough. Take the top one out first, then the bottom. They're both the same length, so you won't get them confused. And take the starter out. It's gonna be a little move that. Yeah, sometimes it gets stuck on there. So yeah, pull it out, back it out, just like that. Okay, you gotta take these 10s off right here. There's 2 10s right here. Take those off. There's a bracket on there. It's not coming out, so let's take those 2 out and see how that goes. So when you take out those 10mm bolts, those 2 bolts off the starter, should come out. Okay. Watch out for that. There you go. Starter's out. Easy as that. The starter's good, so I was just showing you how to take it out. And put it back on. Just follow the steps. Reverse the steps, and yeah, connect that. Don't forget to put the 10mm bolts, that bracket, back on there. Your positive cable, put that on. 2 14s, and connect your battery and start it up, and that's it. That is all. That was it. Starter wasn't that hard. So make sure when you put that starter back, you put you know, the 2 14s, the 12 positive, and the bracket, that the 2 10s on it that we took off. Make sure you put that back. It holds something, some wire, and start the car up. See if it starts. If it don't start again, damn, it could be defective, or he has some other problem. Okay, so let me know in the comment below if you need help or anything. Follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe.